it is an extraordinary honor to represent Oregon in the United States Senate. And having this special privilege, I've tried to make the lodestar of my service transparency and accountability. It's why I worked with the distinguished senator from Missouri, Senator McCaskill, to end secret holds here in the United States Senate. Why I've had more than 600 open town meetings. Why we take legislative drafts and put them online so that citizens can comment wherever possible. It's all about transparency and accountability, Mr. President, and today's campaign finance system is neither. It's not transparent. It's not possible for Americans to see who is giving what sum to what particular candidate, and there's no accountability. The United States Supreme Court's decision in Citizens United drove the system right back into the mud. Through this decision, the Supreme Court has seen fit to create what amounts to a new route for massive sums of unreported, unaccountable, and unacceptable spending to drown out responsible discourse. In my view, this decision degrades our democracy and creates the appearance that American government is simply up for sale to the highest bidders. The decision by the 5-4 majority on the Supreme Court overturned almost a century of precedent and undermined the intent of the founders. The decision, in my view, reflects a lack of understanding about our political process and an inability to see the corrosive effect of massive and hidden expenditures. It's incumbent on the Congress, whose members do understand the electoral system, to begin the process of restoring balance to the mechanisms of democracy. And this, in my view, needs to be done before our elections are entirely overrun by shadowy interests warring unchecked and using the political system and American voters as pawns. My final point, Mr. President, is I do not reach this judgment lightly. I believe constitutional amendments ought to be reserved for those situations when the delicate balance set up by the founders has been upset by time, by circumstance, or in this case, a sudden and ill-considered change in the jurisprudence that governs our system. That is the situation we face today, and it is why I have decided to add my name to the sponsors of this amendment.